Porches, formerly stylized as Porches, is an American synth-pop project of New York-based musician Aaron Maine, formed in Pleasantville, New York in 2010. History: Maine has also released music under the names Aaron Maine and the Riley Brothers, Space Ghost Cowboys, Sex God, Ronald Paris, and Ronnie Mystery. The band released their second studio album Pool on February 5, 2016 to critical acclaim. Discography: Studio albums: Slow Dance in the Cosmos, 2013. Pool, 2016. The House, 2018. EPS: Summer of 10, 2011. Je t'aime, 2011. Scrap and Love Songs Revisited, 2011. Water, 2016. Singles: Ronald Paris House, 2014. Our, 2015. Be Apart, 2016. Country, 2017. Find Me, 2017. References: External links: Porches, Bandcamp,